Amazing, guys. We'll be starting with chapter number 3. Take 1 minute, take out your notebooks, write down the name of the chapter, and show me a thumbs up once you're done. Shabista has already written. Amazing. Thank you, Shabista. Thank you, Mehak. Quickly write down the name of the chapter, then we will move on. And please give me a thumbs up once you are.
Chapter 3.
Who is that?
Hello.
Hi, good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Guys, please put yourself on mute and please take out your geography notebooks and write down the name of the chapter. Very good, Sabah. Thank you. Thank you, Maruf. Thank you, Sabah. Thank you, Habib. Thank you, Anuj. Thank you, Jamal. Waiting for others. 30 more seconds. Okay. Can you guys hear me? All right. Yes. Please finish writing the name of the chapter, then we will move on. Okay. Guys, I'm putting my video off for a while because my internet might stop working. That is why. I'll put my video on in a while. All right. Amazing, guys. Listening time. Everybody will be reading with me. So listening time, everybody will read the objective with Didi. Okay. We will be able to, very good, Aniket, observe centrifugal force. Very good, Maruf. In experiments. Very good, Shabista. And define it. Thank you, Rabia. All right, what we'll be doing is now we'll be taking 2 minutes and write this objective in our notebooks. And give Didi a thumbs up once we're done writing the objective. Vivek, Fardeen, Zaid, can you please put your cameras on? Habib, Mehak, Adit, Anuj, Gaurav, Jamal, Faizan, please try and put your videos on so that I can see that you're in the classroom. Thank you, Zaid. Thank you, Vivek and Fardeen. I can see Vivek writing. Illu, Mehak, please unmute yourself and speak. Very good, Shabista.
Didi, by mistake it was 10.
No problem. Please mute yourself. Yes, Gaurav. Thank you. I know you're in classroom. If you're in the, if your video is on, it is much easier for me to see what you're doing. That's why I said. Very good. I can see Zaid Momin writing. Amazing. Uzaif is done writing. Very good. Sabah is done writing. Amazing. Rabia is done writing. 10 more seconds. Aniket is done writing. Thank you, Aniket. Bonjour, Ilma and Mehak.
Bonjour.
Zara, can you please mute yourself? Bonjour, Uzaif.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, Uzaif. Good afternoon, Zoya. We are studying geography, Zoya. Please write down the objective. Maruf is done. Shabista is done. Zaid is still writing, waiting for Zaid to complete. Anuj is done. Jamal is done. Give me a thumbs up once you're done writing. All right, guys, we will move on. Okay, we will just do a quick revision. Who can tell me what are forces? And who can tell me what did we last year? We studied a lot about forces, right, guys? Who can tell me what are forces? Yes, Suzef, unmute yourself and speak.
Force is a thing that we push a bench is called force.
Amazing. If we are pushing something, it's called force. Very good,
It's
Uzair.
called
Please.
force.
Very good. Please mute yourself again. Well done. Ilma and Mehek, you want to try what is a force?
When we push something and they push, that's called force.
Okay,
Push
amazing,
or
Ilu.
Didi, push or pull is called force.
Amazing. Very good, Ilu and Mehek. I love how you guys remember things. Anything that we push or we pull is called force. Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, Faizan, for telling me the types of force. So whenever we push something or we pull something, it's called force. Good afternoon, Sanya. Can you please put yourself on mute? Sabha is also saying a push or a pull called force. Amazing. All right. Can anyone, Sanya, Baba, you're still off mute, Sanya. Can you please mute yourself? Thank you, Sanya. All right. Can anybody give me an example of force in their everyday lives? Where did they use force today? Where was the time where they used force? Thank you, Faizan. Push or pull is called force. Ilu and already answered. Anybody else who wants to try?
Can I?
I think Habib is raising his hand. Yes, Habib. Faizan, you can go next. Yes, Habib.
Miss, the push is to pushing the something that we very heavy and very heavy,
Okay,
like
give me an example. Yes, yes.
like a car to push
Yes, something you did today.
today.
अपने लाइफ से एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. आपने कहाँ फोर्स यूज किया आज?
I will push the bike.
You pushed the bike today.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Habib, for sharing. Misbah, we haven't written anything yet. We just wrote the objective. Okay. Faizan, you want to share an example?
I used my muscular force to write on the book.
Yes, Faizan used force to write on his book. He used muscular force. Okay. Gaurav is using force whole day. Gaurav, you want to tell us where exactly did you use force? Anybody else who wants to tell us who hasn't answered anything yet? Zaid Momin, where did you use force today? Where did you use force? Zaid, you want to answer, Baba? Zaid, who are you talking to? Unmute yourself and speak. Yes, yes, Zaid. आपने force कहाँ use किया आज के दिन में? Okay, Sabha will give me answer in the chat box. No problem. Who said that? Okay, I can't see Zaid answering. All right, I can see Maruf raising his hand. Maruf and then Ilu and Mehek. Yes, Maruf.
I use the pull in when I pulling the table.
You were pulling the table. Amazing. Sabha is saying she was pulling her bag. Jamal is saying I did rank push in game. Jamal, that is virtual. That is not allowed. Misbah, we did not write anything. Okay, we just wrote the objective. You can take the objective from your friend. Ilma and Mehek, you want to share?
Today I pushed the big saving food box that become into force.
Amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ilu and Mehek. Sanya, do you want to share? Unmute yourself and share. Sanya, Baba, unmute Sanya. Yes.
Today I pulled the box, but box under the very very hard materials that.
Okay, so you pulled a box, right? All right, amazing. So we all know what is what is a force. We all have an idea about what is force and how we use it in our everyday lives. Okay. Now, how many of you were able to do the pre-work? If you were able to do the pre-work, raise your hands. How many of you saw the video that I sent on the group? Faizan is raising his hand. Amazing. Sabah is giving me a thumbs up. Huzef. All right. Amazing, guys. Well, Shabista also. Amazing, Shabista. Amazing, Faizan. Okay. Anuj also saw. Very good, Anuj. Okay. I want any two people. Let's say, Huzef, you go first, and then Faizan. Share what did you see in the group, in the video. Sorry. Habib as well, Lilu and Mehak as well. Amazing, guys. Very good. Yes, Joseph, share what did you see in the video?
He make a uh, he make a straw क्या बोलते हैं ना दीदी project
Okay, we made a
Straw
project out of
project.
straw. Then what happened? What was happening in the
and
video?
he's trying to make a force in rubbing his hand.
Okay, so the person is trying to create force, right?
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Joseph. That was very good. Faizan, you want to share next? What did you see in the video?
The simple straw fountain works just like many industrial water pumps. Centrifugal pumps use motor-driven spinning blades to fling water readily outward. This is just like the behavior of water in washing machine. Try peeking
Amazing.
inside your washing machine while it's draining. You will see the drum inside spinning very quickly, which flings the excess water out of the drum. The fountain is possible because of force.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Faizan, for sharing. Faizan has related this with washing machine. Exactly what happens is washing machine, right? The water spins very quickly. Anuj is also raising his hand. Anuj, you want to share? What did you see in the video? Anuj, you want to unmute yourself and share? Yes, yes.
He make a triangle with and put
Hmm.
put into a
Anuj, we can't hear you, Baba. Anuj, will you please type it in the chat box? We cannot hear you clearly. Please type it in the chat box. Okay. Next, Habib, you want to share? Habib has already shared. Habib, you want to share? What did you see in the video?
Miss,
Hmm?
I have the 6th worksheet. Push and pull.
Okay, amazing. You found the 6th standard wala worksheet. Amazing, Habib. Thank you for sharing. Yes, yes, that's exactly what we did in 6th. You
Miss,
want to
can I
share?
tell?
Who is that?
Miss Fardeen.
Okay, okay, Fardeen, you can go next. Okay. Somebody else was also raising their hand. Sabba is raising her hand. Sabba, you want to share? What did you see in the video? And then Fardeen, you can go. Okay. Yes, Sabba.
I see that he take a straw and make triangle and take sticks and pull it and he उसके अंदर डाला फिर then he put on that in the water and rubbing his hand and the water come out with the circling shape.
Yes, the water, amazing, Sabha. The water was coming in a circular shape, right? It was coming out like this. Amazing. Fardeen, you want to share? What did you see in the video?
With one person is holding the
Yes. And then?
and then he is trying to take force.
Okay. Not trying to take force, trying to exert force. Okay, Fardeen. All right, Misbah, you want to share? Last response from Misbah. Illu is also raising her hand. Illu, I'll take your response after Misbah. Okay, yes, Misbah. Misbah, you want to share, Baba? Misbah, can you hear me? You don't want to share? Okay, no problem, Baba. Illu, you want to share? Unmute yourself and share. Yes.
I see in the picture one man take the straw and cut half with scissor and fold it like a triangle and put a wood straw
Hmm.
and put in the water and she is shaking and water is coming in out.
Coming out. In what shape is water coming out? Circular shape, right? गोल गोल आता है ना
Circular
पानी
shape.
बाहर, right? Amazing. All right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm going to play the video again for all those who haven't seen the
One
video.
time.
Make sure you are watching the video this time. Okay, I'm playing the video again for all those who couldn't watch the video in the pre-work.
दीदी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
You can't? Guys, can you guys hear the sound in the video?
No, we can't.
देखो पढ़ाई करने का बोलता है
Guys, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Illu, Huzaif, mute yourself. Please keep yourself on mute. It's okay if you can't hear it. Just watch. ठीक है? बस देखो क्या हो रहा है. अगर आवाज नहीं भी आ रही है तो it is okay. ठीक है? It is okay. I'm going to play it again.
दीदी एक्सपेरिमेंट करके क्या होएगा?
We'll discuss that. Okay, Jose, we'll discuss what we are learning. Don't worry. Okay. All right, guys. Now, how many of you play with a keychain? Keychain पता है आपको? चाबी का छल्ला. ऐसे गोल गोल कौन ऐसे खेलता है चाबी के छल्ले के साथ? Can anybody tell me क्या होता है चाबी के छल्ले के साथ खेलते हो तो? Zara, you want to tell me? Who is that? Guys, raise your hand before unmuting. Okay, otherwise I will not know who is answering. Yes, Zara. गोल गोल घूमता है और अगर वो हाथ से छूट गया तो क्या होता है? दूर जाके गिरता है, right? Amazing. Thank you guys for sharing. All right. Who has seen this wheel in melas and festivals? Give me a thumbs up if you've seen this Ferris wheel. This is called Ferris wheel. Okay, guys. This is called Ferris wheel. ये झूला किसने देखा है? Maruf is saying yes. Zaid is saying yes. Nausheen is saying yes. Misbah, Sania, Rabia, Sahil, Yaqub, Shab. Everybody has seen this, right? Who wants to share? ये इस पे कौन बैठा है और किसको अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है?
सौम्या दीदी.
Yes, Suzaif. Yes, Suzaif. Aniket, you want to share your experience? You haven't spoken yet. Yes, Aniket.
दीदी इसको बैठा है पूरा एकदम सीधा मोशन में गोल घूमता है. डर लगता है पूरा.
Oh, डर लगता है. Thank you, Aniket, for sharing. Anybody who hasn't shared yet? जिसने अभी तक शेयर नहीं किया है कुछ भी. Misbah, you want to share? What is it like to sit on a Ferris wheel?
मैं भी एक बार जाऊंगा.
Yes, Misbah. Zaid, please keep yourself on mute. Misbah, speak loudly. Misbah, speak loudly. I can't hear you. Yes.
When we see the Ferris, so we think that
दीदी मैं कभी इसमें नहीं बैठा.
Ayo, Baba, don't unmute yourself before raising your hand, Baba. Somebody is speaking, no? Sorry, Miss Bam, so sorry. Say it again.
Sit on that, we get really sad and it moves and we go to ground, then we again come up, that go to ground and again come up.
Yeah,
We
it
think
moves.
we are falling and then coming up.
Yeah, so you go in a round, in a circular direction, right? You first go to the ground, then you again go up, then you again go down, then you again go up. Okay, who wants to tell me ऐसे जोर से पकड़ के क्यों रखना पड़ता है फेरिस व्हील में? ऐसे पकड़ के नहीं बैठोगे तो क्या होगा? झूले में ऐसे पकड़ के नहीं बैठोगे तो क्या होगा? नौशीन, you want to share? झूले को पकड़ के नहीं बैठोगे तो क्या होगा? Unmute yourself and speak, Nौशीन.
दीदी हवा में उड़ जाएंगे,
क्या होगा?
दीदी आप गिर जाएंगे फिर।
गिर जाएंगे ना, और कहाँ पे जाके गिरेंगे? नीचे गिरेंगे या दूर जाके गिरेंगे?
दूर जाके गिरेंगे।
दूर जाके गिरेंगे, राइट? यस. सो नौशीन इज सेइंग कि दूर जाके गिरेंगे, पकड़ के नहीं बैठेंगे तो. Anybody else who wants to share? Who else is raising their hands? Habib, you want to share what will happen अगर हम पकड़ के नहीं बैठेंगे?
मिस जब अपन पकड़ के नहीं बैठेंगे तो मिस वो जो ये जो बैठने की सीट है मिस वो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी होती रहती है, फिर अचानक से वो ना ऊपर रहेगी ना तो है ना अचानक से उन लोग को ना दर्द होता है पेट में,
ओके, हाँ, पेट में
कोई
दर्द
कोई
होता है.
उल्टी कर देता है, इसके लिए
Yes.
पकड़ के बैठते हैं और मिस गिर भी जाते हैं।
गिर भी जाते हैं. यस,
बहुत
दैट्स व्हाई
छोटा
पकड़ के बैठना होता है. थैंक यू अभी.
अरे
Indu,
miss,
you want to answer?
I sit in this Ferris wheel. I feel very excited and very scared.
You feel very excited and scared. I also feel very excited and scared. Thank you for sharing, Habib. Illu, you want to share? Illu, unmute and share. Yes.
दीदी दीदी
Yes.
when I sit in the I feel very scared and my sister
Say,
and my sister goes and she fell down very far. So I was scared and when I am coming to up, I am feeling I will die and to coming down so I am मुझे गुदी गुदी हो रही जब नीचे आ रहा था तो
गुदी गुदी हो रही थी. Okay, thank you for sharing, Ilma. Guys, I'll take other responses later, okay? Because we don't have enough time. All right. ये लड़की bucket घुमा रही है गोल गोल, ठीक है? What will happen if she leaves that bucket? What will happen if she leaves that bucket? Anyone who hasn't answered yet? Someone who hasn't answered yet? Guys, I want to hear someone who hasn't answered.
क्या है दीदी ये?
1 minute.
Miss,
Who's
can
there? Yes, I can see Shabista. Shabista, you want to share what will happen? Shabista, I can't hear you. Unmute, Baba.
दीदी
Yes.
it will fall very far and the straw will break.
Yes, it will fall very, very far. Okay. Now, guys, what is happening in all of these three examples? This example of a bucket, this example of a Ferris wheel, this example of a keychain. The similar thing which is happening is that in all these three examples, something is moving. Oh, Huzef got a chabi ka challa. Yes, Huzef. Amazing, guys. So what will happen is, in तीनों examples में something is moving in a circular direction, right? And if what is happening when it's moving in a circular direction, it is moving away from the center of rotation, right? So इसको centrifugal force बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Maruf, do you want to share something? You're raising your hand. Unmute and share. Yes.
मिस जैसे कि सन के आजू बाजू अर्थ मून घूमते हैं वैसा घूम रही है।
सन के आजू बाजू अर्थ मून गोल डायरेक्शन में तीनों एग्जांपल्स में कुछ ना कुछ घूम रहा है, राइट? So what is happening here is, like for example, हुज़ैफ का चाबी का छल्ला अगर ऐसे छूट जाएगा तो वो दूर जाके गिरेगा, right? वो दूर जाके क्यों गिरता है? Because whenever something is moving in a circular direction, जब भी कोई चीज गोल घूमती है तो उस पे एक फोर्स एक्ट करता है, ठीक है? और फोर्स कहाँ एक्ट करता है? बाहर के तरफ एक्ट करता है, राइट? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर जैसे ये लड़की बाल्टी घुमा रही है तो बाल्टी पर एक फोर्स एक्ट कर रही है जो बाहर की डायरेक्शन में एक्ट कर रही है। सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या है? सर्कल का सेंटर, ठीक है? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं चाबी का छल्ला घुमा रही हूँ तो मेरी उंगली सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे फेरिस व्हील का सेंटर, फेरिस व्हील के बीच की जो वो है, जो बीच की चक्की है वो सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन है। यहाँ पे स्ट्रॉ की जो डंडी है, वुडन, वो लकड़ी की डंडी, वो सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन है। सो सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन की बाहर की तरफ एक फोर्स जाती है, तो जब भी कोई चीज गोल गोल घूमती है तो वो चीज बाहर की तरफ जाती है, राइट? उसको सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स बोलते हैं, ओके? हुज़ैफ, you're raising your hand. Do you want to ask me something? You are on mute. You're on mute. Two other people are raising their hand. Illu and Mehek, do you want to share something? Yes.
दीदी एग्जाम्पल जैसे अभी हम लोग वाटर के अंदर मतलब हाथ घुमाएंगे तो वाटर को भी फोर्स डालेंगे तो घुमाएंगे तो उसको भी फोर्स लगेगा तो वो भी गोल गोल होएगा ना?
Amazing. Yes, Illu. That's a good example. But दीदी सिंह, जब भी कोई चीज गोल गोल घूमती है तो उस पे एक फोर्स एक्ट करता है। जो चीज गोल गोल घूम रही है उस पे एक फोर्स एक्ट करता है जो उसको बाहर की तरफ फेंकता है, ठीक है? तो जब आप फेरिस व्हील पे बैठते हैं और गोल गोल घूमते हैं तो अगर आप पकड़ के नहीं रखेंगे तो आप बहुत दूर जाके गिरेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि आप पे एक फोर्स एक्ट करता है। उस फोर्स को क्या बोलते हैं? सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स, ओके? सो व्हेनेवर समथिंग इज मूविंग इन अ सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन, कुछ गोल गोल अगर घूम रहा है तो अ फोर्स एक्ट्स ऑन इट, उस पे फोर्स एक्ट होता है, ठीक है? और वो फोर्स क्या करता है? उसको बाहर की तरफ फेंकता है, ओके? इट थ्रोज इट इन द आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन। सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन मतलब जो सर्कल है उसका सेंटर, ठीक है? सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन से दूर फेंकता है, उसको हम सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स बोलते हैं, ओके? Now everybody is going to read with Didi. I want to see everybody's lips moving. Okay, guys. Centrifugal force is the force. Very good, Maruf. That acts. Very good, Sabha and Aniket. On an object. Very good, Habib. Which is moving. Very good, Rabia. Along a curved path. That is a rotating object. Very good, Rehmat and Sania. The force acts outwardly. Very good, Nausheen. Away from the. Very good, Iram and Zoya. From the center of rotation. Amazing, guys. Now we will have 3 minutes of writing time and we will write this in our notebook. Okay. Zara and Rehmat, you want to say something? Please unmute yourself and speak. Guys, this is your writing time, okay? Please write this. Yes.
दीदी ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखना था क्या?
हाँ बाबा, लिखना था. Now
हम लोग
take it from some.
दीदी हम लोग ने नहीं लिखी क्योंकि फोन आ गया था ना इसलिए.
कोई बात नहीं, किसी और से लेकर
एक बार
लिखिएगा,
दीदी
ठीक है?
दिखा दो, हम स्क्रीनशॉट मार लेंगे.
Okay, Baba, 1 minute, okay? Take it fast.
यस
Yes.
दीदी. एक मिनट दीदी.
Done?
ये भी हो गया दीदी.
Amazing.
चल.
Please mute yourself, guys. Guys, writing time. Very good, Maruf. I can see Maruf writing. I can see Shabista writing, Sabah writing, Habib writing. Please finish writing. And if your camera is off, please put your camera on. We'll take 1 more minute and finish writing. Very good, Shabista. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Rabia. Aniket is done. Very good. Zoya is done. No, Zoya is writing. Sorry. Faizan is done. Ilu and Mehak, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself and speak. Jamal is done. Very good. Noshin is done. Very good. Vivek and Fardina done. Amazing, guys. Yes. Okay. Faizan, it's boring. Okay. I'll try to make it more interesting. Okay. Guys, I had not seen your messages on the group. I'm seeing them right now. Okay. I think a few people. Ilu, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll unmute you. Guys, I'll try to make it interesting from now here. Okay. Iram, Faizan, Jamal. Yes, 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 Illu. Yes, Illu. Yes, Illu. Say.
दीदी मेरे बड़े भाई को काम है तो मोबाइल लेके जा रहे थे अभी जो बाकी को कराएंगे तो बाद में भेज देंगे ग्रुप पे.
Yes. Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay.
Can I leave?
All right. All right. Can your brother wait for some time?
Leave option करना.
Can your brother wait for some time, Ilma? Can your brother
No
wait
दीदी
for
उसको
some...
काम में रिजल्ट लेने जाने का है.
अच्छा, okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, guys, we'll take 10 more seconds and finish this. Okay, Miss Ba is done. Thank you. Aniket, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी हम लोग का रिजल्ट कब बताएंगे?
6th का result, Baba.
हाँ दीदी.
I'll tell you, okay? जब बताएंगे तब I'll tell you. All right, thank you. Okay, guys, we're going to move on, okay? Very good, Maru. Very good, Zara. Okay. So this is what centrifugal force looks like. Whenever something is rotating, whenever something is moving in a circular direction matlab गोल गोल, जब भी कोई चीज गोल गोल घूमती है, whenever it is moving in a circular direction, Jamal is talking about sixth result. Okay. Okay. So whenever something is moving in a circular direction, centrifugal force throws it away from the center of rotation. Okay, the object of Samir, can you please mute yourself? Samir, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. Thank you. All right. So whenever something is moving in a circular direction, a force acts on it which throws it outwards. Okay. What is that force called? That force is called centrifugal force. Yes, Illu. Yes, Illu. Unmute yourself and speak.
Didi, we have to draw this.
No. This is just for explanation.
But
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So whenever, guys, yes, Illu, you want to speak again? No? Okay. All right. So the centrifugal force acts outward. Centrifugal force किसी भी चीज को बाहर फेंकती है. जो भी चीज गोल गोल घूम रही होती है उसको बाहर फेंकती है. That is centrifugal force. All right. Okay. Next, our objective is we are going to read with Didi. This is our listening time. This is the second objective of the day. We are going to first read with Didi, then we are going to write it. Okay. We will be able to explain how centrifugal and gravitational forces act on the earth. Okay, guys, take 2 minutes and write down this objective in your notebooks. This is your writing time. This is your writing time. We are going to take 2 minutes and write this objective in our notebook. Very good, Sabah and Rabi. I can see Sabah and Rabi are writing. Maruf writing. Amazing, guys. Can see Shabista writing. Amazing. Ilma and Mehek are writing. Very good. Huzef, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, Huzef. Chat box में लिखो. Chat box में लिखो. I cannot hear you.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है दीदी?
Yes, Huzef. बोलो.
ये दूसरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है.
Yes, ये दूसरा objective है. Amazing. Samir is done. Thank
Done,
you,
done.
Samir. Who is that? Guys, don't unmute yourself like this, okay? I don't understand who's speaking. Jamal is done. Thank you. Zoya is done. Shabista is done. Faizan is done. Amazing. Sanya is done. Very good. Sabah is done. Rabia is done. Mispa is done. Amazing, guys. All right, 30 more seconds and we will move on. Okay. Habib is done. Amazing, Habib. Zara, Aniket are done. Okay. Nausheen is done. Maruf is done. Zara is done. Aniket is done. All right, guys. Well, we will be moving on. Okay. Okay. Do you think centrifugal forces act on the earth? Why or why not? Who wants to answer this? Do you think centrifugal forces act on the earth? Yes, Huzef and then Misbah. Huzef, unmute. Yes.
On the earth. दीदी क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Do you think centrifugal forces act on the earth?
सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स.
क्या होता है centrifugal force?
दीदी फोर्स वो एक टाइप का फोर्स है जिससे कोई भी चीज धक्का दे सकते हैं.
नहीं
कोई भी चीज गोल घूमती है वो बाहर की तरफ जाती है, राइट? So do you think अर्थ पे भी ये फोर्स काम करती है कि नहीं? Okay, that's a question, Huzaif. Yes, Misbah, you want to answer? You were raising your hand, Misbah. Yes.
yes, centrifugal force act on the earth because earth also move around it. Earth also rotate. And
Amazing. Thank you, Misbah. Sabah, you want to try?
Yes, because Earth also rotates around the sun, and so that on the Earth centrifugal force are there.
Amazing. Thank you for answering, Sabah. Jamal is saying okay. All right. Sanya, can you please unmute yourself and speak? Do you think centrifugal force acts?
दीदी आई थिंक नो बिकॉज अर्थ एकदम स्लो स्लो करता है, तो अगर जब पास होगा तो वो बाहर की तरफ जाता था.
Amazing. Sanya, I love how you're bringing in a new answer and you are trying to also bring in a new perspective. That is amazing. Anybody else who wants to try? I saw one more hand going up. Yes, Noshin, you want to try? Do you think it acts on the earth?
Didi, no.
No. Why?
Didi, because Earth is moving slow.
Okay, because it's moving slowly. All right. Noshin and Sanya, it's good that you're bringing a new answer into the classroom. Okay. All right. The thing is that centrifugal force does act on the earth. Okay. Why does centrifugal force acts on the earth? Because like Miss Bas said, it is also rotating. And Noshin and Sanya, you are also correct. It is rotating very, very slowly. Right? वो भी गोल गोल घूम रहा है बट बहुत स्लोली घूम रहा है, but still centrifugal force will act on the earth, right? So the answer is yes. Okay, centrifugal force will act. Why will it act? Because it is moving in a circular direction, right? Because earth is moving in a circular direction. All right, we are going to read with Didi. This is your listening time. We'll be reading with Didi and then we will be writing. Okay, listening time, we'll be reading. Centrifugal force, very good, Maruf, acting on the earth. Due to the rotation of the earth, centrifugal force acts on the earth. Very good, Rabia and Misbah. This force acts away. Very good, Joseph. Guys, and if anybody is off mute, please mute yourself. This force acts away from the center of the earth. Due to this force, any object, very good, Shabista. Rehmat, read, don't laugh and talk, okay? Any object on the surface of the earth would be thrown away into the space. Okay, guys, we'll take 3 minutes of writing time and finish writing this, okay? Writing time, we have to write this in our notebook. You can see Rabia writing, very good. I can see Habib writing. You can see Maruf writing, very good. Yes, Zara, unmute and speak.
दीदी
वो पहले वाले ये समझ में नहीं आया।
ये वाला ना ये वाला मैंने पढ़ी नहीं क्योंकि मैं उधर गई थी।
ओके, ये समझ में नहीं आया, ओके। Yes, guys, Arzu Didi is absolutely right. We will not chat on the group unless and until it's very important. All right, Zara, I will explain it again. Zara, did you understand what is centrifugal force? You did not understand it? Yes or no?
No, Didi.
नो ओके ज़ारा जब भी कोई चीज गोल गोल घूमती है तो वो बाहर की तरफ उस पे फोर्स एक्ट करती है. जैसे चाबी का छल्ला गोल गोल घुमाओगे तो वो दूर जाके गिरेगा, राइट?
Yes.
उस फोर्स को सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि अर्थ भी गोल गोल घूमता है तो अर्थ पे भी सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एक्ट करता है. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी स्टडीड सो फार. All right, did you understand that? No, Adit, you cannot leave.
Yes, Didi.
Amazing. All right, please mute yourself. Adit, you'll only leave at 2:15. Okay. Guys, please show me a thumbs up once you're done writing. Very good, Shabista. Very good, Sabah. Very good, Iram. Very good, Mispa. Jamal is done. Amazing. Zoya is done. Ilma and Mehak are done. Amazing. Thank you, Sanya. Sanya is done. Maruf is done. Very good. I can see Abib is done. Rabia is done. Shabista is done. We'll take 1 more minute, okay, guys? Nosheen is done. Yes, Zara, unmute and speak.
Writing.
Okay, guys, please make sure you're writing, okay?
Didi not writing.
Rehmat, are you writing?
Yes, Didi.
All right, guys, we will not fight in the classroom, all right? This is not okay. And please keep your video on so that I can see whether you're writing or not. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done. Okay, Sabah is done. Thank you, Sabah. Jamal, even if you want to sleep, you're going to write it because that is the task of the classroom. All right, guys, is everyone done writing? Please give me a thumbs up if you're done writing.
Didi, 2 minutes.
30 seconds. Sabah is done. Thank you, Sabah. Yes, it's 1:58 in the slide, guys. So please make sure you're right. Misbah is done. Amazing. All right, guys, we'll be moving on. Okay. So the question was, if centrifugal force acts on the earth, right? But if it does act on the earth, then we said yes, right? Centrifugal force acts on the earth. We said it acts because the earth is rotating, क्योंकि earth गोल गोल घूम रहा है, तो उस पे centrifugal force act हो रहा है. But guys, if centrifugal force is acting, then why don't we get thrown out? तो हम लोग बाहर स्पेस में क्यों नहीं उड़ जाते हैं, हम अर्थ पे क्यों रहते हैं? Why does that happen? I can see Habib is raising his hand. Yes, Habib, you want to try?
Means because the earth has gravity.
Amazing, very good, Habib. Because the earth has gravity, because of the gravitational force, even because of rotation. Huzaif, do you have anything else to say? I can see you're raising your hand. Yes.
Gravity force.
Gravity force, exactly. So even because the earth is rotating, we can be thrown out into space. We don't get thrown out. Why? Because gravity is acting, right? So gravitational force keeps us stuck to the ground and we don't fly into space. All right, so we don't get thrown away, we don't get thrown away into the space because of gravitational force or because of gravity, which keeps us on the ground, which keeps us close to the earth. Okay. Listening time, guys. We'll be reading with Didi. Okay. I want to see everyone reading. Gravitational force acting on the earth. Sania, Maruf, thank you, Rabia. The gravitational force acts at the center. Very good, Maruf. Of the earth. The force of gravity is many times greater, very good Sabah, and stronger than the centrifugal force. Very good Shabista. Hence, all the objects on the surface of the earth, very good Shabista, remain where they are and don't fly into the space. Amazing, guys. We are going to take 3 minutes of writing time and write this in our notebooks. Good afternoon, Arfina. You are really late to the classroom. You were supposed to come. Guys, I'm just seeing the chat box. I haven't seen it. All right. Afreen, next time, please try to come to the classroom, all right, on time at 1 o'clock. Maruf, can you please mute yourself? It's okay, guys. No need to say sorry. And please give me a thumbs up once you're done, okay? Very good. I can see Zara writing, Rehmat writing. I can see Sabah writing, Shabista writing. Idam, is Zoya there with you? She's there. Amazing. It's okay, guys. Don't worry about it. Very good. I can see Maruf writing. I can see Rabia writing. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done. Okay. Yes, Zara, I can see you raising your hand. Can you unmute yourself and speak?
Didi, phone battery is slowing. Didi, phone का
Can you put it on charge and then study?
दीदी यहाँ पर चार्ज नहीं है, चार्ज मेरे घर पे है।
Achha, no problem. As long as the battery is there, stay here, okay?
ओके दीदी। दीदी
Yeah.
आप हटाओ मत, हम लोग लिख रहे हैं।
What?
आप हटाओ मत, हम लोग ये लिख रहे हैं।
Yes. Write it. Okay, it's there. Don't worry. Amazing, Maruf is done. Very good. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done so that I know I can move on.
Hello.
Yes, Habib. Do you want to say something? Okay. No. All right.
Miss,
Yes.
अर्थ इज स्पेस, तो मिस स्पेस में वो नीचे क्यों नहीं गिर जाता, तो हवा में क्यों रहते? तो मिस तो अपन जैसे स्पेस में जाते तो अपन नीचे गिरने जाते, पर ये सन अर्थ ऑल द प्लेनेट आर क्यों नहीं गिरते नीचे फ्लो ऑन?
We will, because of the force of repulsion. There's a force of repulsion between different heavenly bodies. Okay, तो एक दूसरे से जाके चिपकते नहीं है. Okay, when you study more about gravitational force, you study that. Okay, Habib.
ओके
ठीक है, but it happens because all the heavenly bodies also repulse each other. ठीक है. Afreen is done. Huzaif, I'll say loudly. You cannot hear me. I'll try to speak more loudly. Okay. Rabia is done. Very good. Guys, please finish it in the next 30 seconds. Okay, so that we can move on. You can see Iram writing, Sabah writing. Very good. You can see Ilu and Mehek writing. Amazing, guys. Jamal is done. Very good. Sabah and Shabista are done. Amazing, guys. Zara is done. Zara and Rehmat are done. Very good. If you're not done, please try to finish it quickly. Okay, guys, so that we can move on. Habib, keep yourself on mute. Okay, don't keep unmuting. Misbah is done. Amazing. Faizan, please keep yourself on mute. All right, guys. Illu and Mehek, are you guys done? I can see you fighting. Done. Okay. Faizan is done. It's okay, Misbah. You can hear me now. All right, guys. Please show me a thumbs up if you're done so that we can move on. Thank you, Shabista. Thank you, Zara and Rehmat. Thank you, Habib. All right, guys. We'll be moving on. Okay. Everyone, take out your pencils and I'm giving you 5 minutes. Draw this diagram in your notebook. Okay, can any one person come off mute and explain me what is happening in this diagram? Any one person? Tanya raised her hand first. Yes, Tanya, what is happening in this diagram?
दीदी इन दिस डायग्राम जो अर्थ है वो ना रोटेट कर रहा है और यहाँ पे मतलब ये ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो रहा है यहाँ पे और साइड की तरफ वो अर्थ रोटेट कर रहा है सन से और यहाँ और
Where is the gravitational force acting? कौन से डायरेक्शन में ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एक्ट कर रहा है?
सन की डायरेक्शन में.
यस, राइट.
और बाहर की डायरेक्शन में सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एक्ट कर रहा है.
Amazing, Sania. I don't even need to explain to you guys, right? Because the guys are getting it. Guys, please keep drawing. Habib, first draw it and then you can explain it. First draw it and then you can explain it. Guys, first draw it and then I'll allow you to explain it. Okay. Very good. I can see Rabia drawing. I can see Maruf drawing. Pehle draw karo, then we will discuss more about it. Okay. I can see Shabista drawing. Amazing. Yes, Zara, you want to say something? Unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी चार्जिंग 2% है.
कोई बात नहीं, जब तक है तब तक ड्राइंग करो, ठीक है? Then you can leave. Zara and Rehmat, you can keep your video off, ठीक है? तो कम drain होगा बैटरी, ठीक है? All right, yes. Please draw the diagram. I'll finish it in 5 minutes, okay? Iram, just finish this diagram and then leave, okay? Very good, Miss Vivek and Fardina, done so quickly. You can see Sabah drawing, Shabista drawing, amazing guys.
We have to draw it.
Yes, Zev, you have to draw it. Draw it. Okay, who can tell me what is an orbit? It's written Earth's orbit. Orbit क्या होता है? We had learned this in the last class. Yes, Maruf.
ऑर्बिट मतलब कि अंडे के जैसा अर्थ का शेप है.
अर्थ का शेप है. ओके, अर्थ का शेप नहीं, अर्थ के रास्ते का शेप है. ओके मारो.
यस.
अमेजिंग. Sabah, you want to
ऑर्बिट की
try?
तरह.
Yes. Sabah, you want to try what is an orbit?
The रास्ता सन अर्थ का जो रास्ता होता है सन का ऑर्बिट.
What is that called in English? रास्ते को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं हम? Pathway. Okay, guys, what is it called, Sabah?
pathway.
Okay, so the pathway of the Earth around the Sun is called its orbit. Habib, you want to repeat what is an orbit? Yes.
The orbit is that all planets are rotated and 24 are and another planet 27 are rotated. And
Okay.
Miss, can I
Yes.
explain?
The diagram? Have you drawn it?
Yes.
You've drawn it? Okay, 1 minute. I'll just read what people have written on the chat. Faizan is saying elliptical path. Very good, Faizan. The path is called elliptical because it's oval. Jamal is saying where a planet or heavenly body revolves. Amazing. Jamal, also add the word pathway. Okay, the path where it revolves. Very good, Jamal. Yes, Habib, you can explain the diagram to us.
Miss, the earth is rotated. The rotate of earth and concentrifugal यानी मिस जो अर्थ में जो इंसान लोग रहते हैं और जो शेप है वो एंड ग्रेविटी द ग्रेविटी की वजह से वो अपन रह पाते जमीन पे एंड द ग्रेविटी की वजह से नीचे नहीं जा सकता.
Amazing. And what does centrifugal force do?
Miss, the centrifugal force are do
Habib, say centrifugal. Centrifugal.
centrifugal.
Centrifugal.
Centrifugal.
Amazing. Yes. Centrifugal force throws us outside the space. Okay. It acts outwards. All right. It acts outwards. Very good, Habib. Excellent. Anybody who is done, please give me a thumbs up. All those who are done, please give me a thumbs up. Afreen is saying she's done. Amazing. Guys, if you're done drawing the diagram, show me a thumbs up so that I know. Okay, Jamal is done, Gaurav is done, Shabista is done. Amazing. Please show me a thumbs up if you're done drawing the diagram. Sara is done, Sanya is done, Sabah is done. Amazing. All right. Anybody else who wants to come off mute and explain me what is happening in this diagram? Listen. Iram, Baba, you're off mute, Iram. Yes. Anybody who wants to try? Zara, you're raising your hand. You want to say something? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं Zara. Just 1 more minute, then we leave, okay?
हाँ दीदी.
Okay, Sabha has already answered, guys. Some new hand. I want to see a new hand. Who can come off mute and explain what is happening here? Gaurav hasn't spoken. Arfina hasn't spoken. Guys, you want to come off mute and explain what is happening in the diagram? Yes, yes. Only 1 minute left to end the class. Okay, Miss Bar. Anybody who wants to try and explain what is happening here? All right, Sabha, you can go. You can explain what's happening in this diagram.
टीचर अर्थ अर्थ ग्रेविटी पे सन के राउंड घूम रहे हैं और अर्थ सन के रोटेट कर रहा है और द सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स हैपनिंग on in the earth.
All right. So what is happening, Sabha? I'll explain. The centrifugal force is acting in the outward direction and the gravitational force is acting in the inward direction. Because they are balanced, we are able to walk on earth. ठीक है, अगर वो बैलेंस नहीं होगा तो या तो हम स्पेस में उड़ जाएंगे या तो धरती के नीचे घुस जाएंगे. Okay, so because these two forces are balanced, we are able to stand on the surface of the earth. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna stop screen sharing. It's already 2:15.
Miss,
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Don't unmute yourself. Arzu, can we stop the recording?